What's up, everybody? It's your boy Maul G614, and I'm back with another unboxing. I know it's been a nice little minute. Your boy's been working, been tired. No, unfortunately, it's our peak season. I work for the post office, so I'm a mailbox mechanic. Tell your peoples to please stop running over mailboxes, stop stealing mailboxes, stop breaking into mailboxes. Y'all making me work harder than I actually want to work. But I hope everybody had an amazing, awesome, and anointed day, as every day above ground is a good day. I ordered these shoes probably a week ago, and they finally came in. I haven't even seen them. See, they're still in the box. Still in the box. I got so many shoes. Your boy is just tired. Whew. See, look. Can't even stop yawning. But you know what I'm saying? You know how it go. You know what I'm saying? I haven't even seen them. Like, I haven't opened them up. Let's see. These shoes released in 2002. They were a quick strike. They were an ode to, what's his name? Larry Perkins. If you don't know who Larry Perkins is, Larry Perkins was a fictional character that was created by Big Brother Magazine. Big Brother Magazine started in 1992. It is a skateboarding magazine, and it chronicled like street skating and that whole culture. So they created this fictional character, and they would prank call pro skaters and semi-pro skaters just for the fun of it. So this shoe right here is an ode to Larry Perkins, the fictional creator. This is the blue SB box. This is blue. Okay, I told you. I'm a fan of SB Dunks. I absolutely love them. They're my favorite shoe in the whole wide world, besides Wallabies. But size 13, that's my size. That's my size. That's my size. And it's an SB low. See the black in the varsity right there. Bow. These retail, I think these retail for $120, if I'm not mistaken. Or $110, if I'm not mistaken, because all SB lows retail for $120. Now their resale be through the roof. But I haven't looked at them. We're going to look at them together. Are y'all ready? No, they have the regular, dunk paper, And as always, saucy, the Larry Perkins SB Dunk lows. So dope. As you see, the stars are intact on the shoe. Bow. Look at this. Dead stock. Bow. Let's look at the shoe together. First off, it has the fat tongue that SB Dunks are known for. Do y'all hear that? These were nicknamed the Chirping Pigeons. But they have a telephone ring for the prank call. That is so dope. Like, that is so dope. This is why I love SB Dunks. This right here. Just the little extra stuff that they do. Look, you got the black laces. You got the black denim. You got the fur on the inside. Look at that. Bam. Of course, you got the Zoom Air technology. You got the... Okay, all right. All right. Stop with the ringing. And you got the white sole. You got the black stitching around there. You got the red sole at the bottom. You got the patent leather Nike check. This is like, this is mesh that goes around. Excuse me. This is mesh that goes around the back of it. You got the white Nike tab in the back with the Nike sign synonymous with SBs. Of course, you got the black tongue. You got the white and red SB. Then the tag, they also have a telephone for the prank call. The telephone tag. It says to activate sound chip, pull plastic tab, blah, 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 blah. Okay. That's not important. But you got the telephone for the prank call. This is why I love SBs right here, because it goes above and beyond. You know what I'm saying? It just separates you from everybody else. I love SBs. This is another pair to add to the collection. You know what I'm saying? Can't wait to wear these. I know they're comfortable as all SBs are. Well, that concludes another video. Please share, like, dislike the video. Leave me comments about how you feel about Nike SBs. Tell me how you feel about the Larry Perkin Dunk Lows. You know, the telephone ring. That is so saucy right there. That is extra sauce right there. I love SBs. They got a lot of SB lows coming out. You know, they just dropped my favorite pair. They just dropped those at Complex Con. They just dropped the Diamond Supply Tiffany Dunk lows. But let me know how y'all feel. Please subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? My name is Maul G. And we out of here.